Emin and his adventures.
Ho, ho, ho! It's me, Santa! Just kidding, it's me, Emin! And today, we are opening this giant present. I know I'm opening it kinda early, and we're not supposed to do that, but I won 3 medals, and that's why I'm opening this present. Hey guys, what should we play? I don't know. What's your name? My name is Harold. What's your name? My name is Gerald. What shall we play? How about we play with something that Emin has? You heard those 2 guys right. They're gonna be playing with whatever I have in here. But it's gonna be a little too tricky to open with scissors. So I have another little trick up my sleeve. It worked. Let's get this bad boy out. Hooray! It's what I truly wanted! The Hot Wheels Dragon! Thanks, Smash! I opened the whole box! Looks like there's another layer. Let's open that part too. Okay. Now let's open. Dude, I already see everything! This is literally so epic! I found the loop-de-loop. I've never had an ultimate garage in my life! This is the best day ever! What? This is epic. It even says Hot Wheels! Bro, this is like the thing where the elevator goes up. Right? This is the right here. But isn't this sick? I'm gonna take this cardboard out. This is gonna be so cool. Take all of this out. Oh, this is a big one. This is so. These must be the 2 mystery cars. Should we open it? Nah, let's wait until we build it. Oh, I found another one. I don't know what this one is, but let's save it too. I found this thing. It also said it also says Hot Wheels. Oh, it's the. Remember I told you where you could put the car? Yay! I wasn't even expecting that. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Is there stuff? I wasn't even expecting the dragon to be this big! What? This is the best toy ever! Dude, just look at this! I guess you could hold it like this. I'm the king of the world! Roar, I'm just gonna spin around. Friends, look at this compared to this! This came with the dragon. And you might have not seen this video, but this came with the Cobra Crush. He's right here. And you don't see the dragon. This is the one that we have right now. Okay. I'm gonna keep this map and I'm gonna put this map away. See ya. But just look at this, we can't even hang this up somewhere! This must be the levels of which cars you can park and where you can shoot them. Oh, it even says Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels! Look at the dragon wings. I'm a dragon. And this is the real dragon. Should we attach it? Yes, let's do it. Let's get to opening the bags. What's in here? Oh, there's some resources. Oh, this must be where the sticker goes. There's these things, might go in that. It might go right here. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, these are like the sponge things. Also might go here. That's cool. Now you can get out of here too. Excited about this one. Are you guys? Dude, this is the best and coolest car I ever had! Yay! Woohoo! It has purple tires. It looks like from Lightning McQueen, doesn't it? We got the stickers right over here. We got the instructions over here. Okay, so let's go to page 1. Here goes. Right here. We're done with this piece and attach it right here. Okay. Right. Skills. Just like we figured it out. Hooray! Watch this, guys. We am going. Is that cool? Okay, put the car back in his parking spot. Now I need the instructions. We got it in! Hooray! Look at this. We can park anywhere. I'm gonna leave it from here and see what happens. Because it might go like this. Whee! I'm going out. And then okay, I'm gonna put it back. Okay. Oh, bro, he almost fell down. Okay, wait, how? Okay, watch this. He's dead! Hooray! Put him back on. Okay. Put you back on, dragon. Okay, there we go. It's starting to look like this. Okay, do it like, okay, like that. We are done. Hooray! Party, 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 party.
Let's play!
Okay, level 1.
Ready, set, go!
Go!
Okay, now watch this.
Let's see what else we can do. 1. This is so fun! I love this toy! Let's boom boom around. Let's go around town, baby. Okay, scrubbing me up. Wee wee. Let's go. Now I'm gonna get some gas. Beep, 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 beep. Good. That was some good gas. Let's go back on the road. Let's go to maybe level 4. All the way to the drag. Yes! We defeated it. Wait, what's this? This is the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!